Since its humble beginnings, Google has become the world's premier search engine. But more recently, it's become even more than that. Today, it also happens to have what is arguably the most powerful and far-reaching advertising network in the world. Today, with Google AdWords, you can put your offers in front of motivated buyers as sponsored search results. This means people are seeing your ad at the very moment they're searching for your solution. What could be more powerful than that? Then there's the display network. Ever notice all those images and ads in the sidebars, top and bottom of almost every website you visit? And more banners mixed in with the content? Often retargeting ads for a product you recently viewed? There's a good chance most of those ad spots were part of the Google display network. When you combine the perfect timing of search result ads and the far reach of the display network with the very reasonable cost per click of Google AdWords, it becomes a must-have advertising solution. Here's some stats that paint a clear picture of why you should be using Google Ads. Google owns over 70% of the search market share. They officially have the world's largest ad network. Google's display campaigns reach a whopping 80% of global internet users. When people see display ads, they're over 150% more likely to search for brand or segment-specific words. And even if you're planning to just focus on organic SEO, you need to have Google Ads in the mix. Almost 90% of traffic from search ads is not replaced by organic clicks when ads get paused. For people searching with real buyer intent, the ad spots at the top end up getting around 40% of the clicks on the SERPs, or search engine results pages. And almost 100% of searchers go with businesses they see on the first page of the SERPs. So getting those sponsored results up there is a must. In case there was any doubt about the effectiveness of these ads, here's a few more stats. On average, marketers make $2 in sales for every $1 they spend on Google Ads. On mobile, around 70% of searchers take action within 1 hour, and 70% say they call businesses directly from Google Search. And yes, you can have your clickable phone number right there in the search ad. All these stats probably explain why over 70% of these businesses plan to increase their ad spend in the future. So, we've gone over why you should be using Google advertising in your business. Now let's talk about setting some goals.